So hello students, welcoming you all in the Physics Arena by Nitesh sir. Here your teacher Nitesh Kumar Bhatia is going to give you a glance about the topic power. What do you mean by power? Students, what do you mean by the term power? Whenever in front of you there is a topic may come, that is power. What do you mean by that term power? How you can define power? What will come in your mind when I am speaking about the power? So what do you mean by power? What do you mean by power? How you can define about the power? So power of a body can be defined as the rate of doing work of a body. Rate means, already in the last lecture I have given you a glance what do you mean by the term rate? What do you mean by term rate? Rate means something which changes. Rate means something which changes with respect to time. Okay, in our daily life you are moving to the market and you are purchasing some potatoes. So at that time what you are asking? You are asking that what is the rate? With the shopkeeper you are asking what is the rate? It means that one day you are purchasing potatoes at the rate of 35, sometimes at 20 rupees per kg, 24 rupees kg. It means that day by day the rate means the cost of the potatoes are being changes. So rate means change with respect to time. It means that in any physical quantity, if there is a change occurs with respect to time, then we can say that is its rate. So power, how we can define the power? Power is defined as, here I am writing the definition. Power is defined as the rate of doing work by a body called power. Means in whatever be the extent, in whatever be the time, if a body does some work, is said to be its power. So what will be the definition of power? You can easily give that, sir, power is equals to, what you will give as for the formula of power? Power is equals to work done upon time. Means to do some work, whatever be the amount of time taken, if we take these two ratios, we will get that the amount of power of a body. So students, power is also given by the term P. So P is equals to, and work done is given by W, and time is given by T. So power is equals to work done upon time, P is equals to W by T. Okay students, so let's start with its. If someone is asking in the term of power, how you can give the definition of work? So you can give the definition of work, then the work is equals to, means work done by a body is equals to, if we are knowing that the power of the body, and we are knowing, we have discussed the expression of power. Now we are moving towards the unit of power. As in the SI system, the unit of work done is equals to joule and time is measured into the second. So the power unit of powers is joule per second. So you can give that the power is equals to joule per second is its unit. If someone is asking that what is the unit of work done in the terms of power, so the unit of work done, here I am writing, unit of work done in terms of power will be what? That is joule, means joule is the amount of work done. So power is equals to what it will be? Power is, its also unit is watt. So the biggest unit of the power is kilowatt and megawatt. So what are their biggest, here I am writing biggest units of power, because in your daily life, in your home, which meter, the electricity meter which is placed onto the wall is having some amount of kilowatt powers which we are consuming each and every day. So 1 kilowatt, here kilo is written means 1000, so 1000 watt, 1000 watt, 1 kilowatt is equals to 1000 watt power. And 1 mega, when mega is given, it means that 10 to the power 6, means 10 to the power 6 watt. So the units of power, the biggest units of the power or the commercial unit of the power is that what? That is a watt, a kilowatt, and what? That is a megawatt. So students, there are and you can, if for sometimes note, you can also note down one biggest thing is that the thing which we all have to remember for each and every time. What the thing here I have mentioned here, that 1 horsepower, 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watt, means 1 horsepower. Basically horsepower is given for the electrical appliances, for its capability, how capable it is for doing work. So 1 horsepower is equals to 746 watt. And if someone is asking that, sir, how many kilowatt hours are there, as earlier I have discussed that power is equals to work done into time. So if the work done is in kilowatt and time is in hour, if work done is in kilowatt means bigger unit and time is also in bigger unit, okay, because we are using our fans for several cells hour and it is consuming a lots of energies is there. So power is equals to kilowatt hour, okay, kilowatt per hour. So if we are consuming, if we are knowing how much amount of energy means work or energy, if someone is asking that, sir, how much energy is consumed in our houses, each and every day houses, then that energy can be given by, means commercial energy, commercial unit of energy is kilowatt hour, means what? That the product of these two things, if we are knowing that, then 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 1 kilowatt hour is equals to 3.6 into 10 to the power 6 joule. So students, if someone will ask, sir, what are the factors? If here you have given that power is the capability to do our work, then how we can define that? How many factors which affect the power of a source? So basically here I am describing you the factors which are affecting the factors affecting power. Okay students, I am writing factors affecting power. How many factors are there which may affect the power of a body or a system? As we are knowing that the power is equals to work done upon time. It means that the first basic thing is that the amount of work done is directly proportional to the power. It means that if the work done will be small, power will be smaller, means work done by a body, okay, means power is directly dependent, power is directly proportional to work done by the body. If work done is higher, then the power will be higher. If the work done is lower, power will be lower. And time taken to the body, and time taken to body, if it means that power is inversely proportional to time.